Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by ya. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa. Every day I'm touching road. Hellcat sitting low. I go 205 just wait till I hit the nitro. I can't even let you get close. Jet fuel in the tank. Big blues in the bank. I had her up on my rank. They couldn't do it like I can. No one can do it. It takes okay. Mission flyer. Spitting fire.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, maybe you saw it, Sunshine State of Florida. And welcome back to another video. So today's video, I'm gonna pretty much go over, show you guys what I replaced the truck with. So I replaced the truck. I am going to change the wrap a little bit on Maximus. He's not going anywhere. He's staying. My kids would kill me if I got rid of it. See, he's back on the ground. Went for a inaugural drive on the new clutch. It's pretty good. Got to get a few more miles to break it in. So once I get that done, then I'll head up to the track and see how it does on the track. Get into today's video, and so you guys could see what I replaced in the mission fleet. It wasn't what I was looking for. Well, it's what I was looking for, but it's not when it came a little bit sooner than I wanted it to, and it's better than what I thought. So the opportunity presented itself, and my boy Austin and Boston, aka Justin, called me up and said, hey, have I got a deal for you? So I went down there. I was like, it's a deal for me, and I'll decide, I don't know if I'm gonna do it or not. And then I went and checked it out, and as they say, the rest was history. So I think you guys are gonna like it. I definitely love it. Yeah, I definitely love it. Success.
It's all you, man.
Come talk to my boy Austin. This is like,
yes,
what,
sir.
the third vehicle?
Number three.
Number three. And we're right here at Fort Walton. Tell them how to get in contact with you.
478-230-5883 is going to be my personal cell phone number. Call me, text me, I'll hook you up.
You definitely will.
Smell good, skin clear. This here my year. Hey, look up here. This here my tier. Same fit 4 days. I grind 4 ways. I play no games. All me, no blame. On the wave, my own wave. Can't stop my shine. In the lane, my own lane. Can't stop my grind. 40 yard in the V12 and like 1.5. At 19, I cleared 19 in a month, no lie. Oh God. I was starving skinny, now my weight up. Got no energy for haters. See you trying, see you later. I'm shooting for the stars, need no laser beam. Blowing like the greatest, but it's one who's always greater. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500.
So as you guys can see what it is, the big 3500 2020 with a high output Cummins with the Ison transmission. Woo. It's a big boy with the mega cab. I know a lot of people wanted me to get a wrap not a Raptor, what's that called? A TRX, but this is actually around the same price, if not more than a TRX, but a TRX is not what I want. Sounds like a Mustang or a Challenger or something. But a TRX is not what I want. I want something that could pull a car, enclosed trailer, possibly 2 cars. Got another, I'm on the lookout for something else, so I want to be able to pull 2 cars at the same time comfortably. And I think Big Boy could do it. So I'm gonna name them, all my cars are named after Gladiator. So this is Maximus, my old truck was Brutus, and this one is gonna be Animaeus. Of course, if you guys ever watched Spartacus, Animaeus is the big black gladiator that trained all the gladiators. So that's Animus. And when I got my trailer and Maximus together, it's gonna be Animus Prime. You know, kind of like Optimus Prime, living out my childhood dreams. But yeah, I really appreciate all the support, guys. I love this truck. You guys are gonna love it too. I got a bunch of stuff planned with it, and look at that big front end, blacked out night edition. Of course, later on I'll go over all the specs, which will go over everything. But now I just wanted to introduce you guys to Animaeus, and then once we get it all suited up with the trailer and stuff, Animaeus Prime. But again, guys, definitely subscribe. We're gonna have that diesel content for you guys. Bell icon, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you at a track coming soon, since Maximus is done and I have another thing in the works. Until the next video, guys, peace.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like